Tamper alarms signal potential security breaches, often triggered by simple issues. First, check the cover switch, a magnetic or mechanical component on your security panel. Ensure it's properly aligned and free from dust. Use a multimeter to test for continuity. Resistance should be less than 1 ohm when closed. Next, inspect wiring. Especially in hardwired systems, look for loose connections, corrosion, or damage. A wire tracer can help locate faults. Recent advancements include AI-driven diagnostics that can automatically scan for wiring faults, reducing false positives. DIY installations have increased tamper alarm faults, so ensure proper setup. Resolve these issues to eliminate false alarms. If the cover switch and wiring checks don't resolve the tamper alarm, try a control panel reset. This software reboot clears temporary glitches and recalibrates sensors. For Honeywell panels, press star 99 to enter installer mode, then follow the prompts to recalibrate sensors. Control panel resets resolve about 70% of tamper alarm cases without needing hardware replacement. Looking ahead, tamper detection is evolving with wireless and IoT-enabled systems that use AI for predictive maintenance to forecast faults before they occur. By 2027, expect quantum-resistant encryption to protect against hacking and augmented reality applications that guide technicians through repairs. Always test connections after installation and consider consulting certified technicians to avoid voiding warranties. Proactive maintenance and manual checks remain essential for system reliability.